Hello, 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 and welcome back to another episode in our new series. Today, we are talking about From Zero to Earnings, how to launch your first digital product. What's up, fam? Welcome back. And if this is your first time seeing me, I'm Digital Dottie. I help Gen Xers and baby boomers make money with digital products so they can retire with confidence. And right now, this episode is all about turning your knowledge into income. If you've ever thought, I have no idea how to launch a digital product, don't worry. I got you, right? We're going to break down the simple steps needed for you to create your first digital product and start earning money every day. Now, even if you're starting from scratch, don't worry about it. I got you. So let's keep it real for a minute. When you get started with your first digital product, just the thought of it alone can be overwhelming. You might be asking yourself, where do I begin? What do I create? What do people actually want to buy? Right? So you have to ask these questions in order to know what digital product is going to work for you. But I'm here to tell you it's a lot easier than you think. Okay? First things first, you already have what you need. You have the knowledge, you have the skills, and you have the experience that is needed to solve the problems for people who will pay for the solution. Okay? Whether you're a pro at organization, whether you're super good at content creation or cooking or even social media, people are looking for solutions to their problems, and you can provide the solution. So let's talk about how to launch that first product. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to pick a product, a digital product. You can pick an ebook, a course, a workbook, or even a template, right? But you want to think about what is going to be best for you to market. What are you passionate about that will be your first product, okay? So for example, if you are good with time management, you can create a time management planner and help people who are always late or always early or always running out of time, right? Second step is to create your product. So you're going to choose your product. Now you have to create it. And don't worry, you don't have to be a graphic designer, artist, or anything like that. All you need to do is go to Canva and start creating. They are the number one design tool online that will help you for free. You can set up an account and do a lot of what you need to do. So don't let creating your product hold you back. Head right on over to Canva and get started. The next step is to set the price that you're going to be selling your product for. Now, don't overthink this part, okay? Keep it simple. Think about the value you're providing. And remember, you can always adjust your prices. It's better to start low and get sales than start high and hear crickets. And you might even have to give a few products away so that you can get some testimonials in and get your product out in the internet so that you can start collecting coins, okay? Now, don't worry about when. Just start right now. That's the moment. The moment is now to get started. So share your product, let people know about it, and then get into the next step, which is keep it moving. We have to keep it moving, even if we don't make a sale the first day, second day, first week. Okay. We cannot afford to get distracted or discouraged just because we haven't made $1,000 in the first month. Okay. The goal is to get started. Once you make your first sale, just keep going. You can make your second sale, and from your second sale, come your 10th sale. Okay. You learn as you go, and every single product you launch, you will get better at it. And here's a little secret: the more product you put out there, the easier it gets. So you just remember that, okay? Now, here's what I want you to do right now. I want you to stop waiting for the perfect time. Just get started. Create your first digital product today. If you're not sure what to create, contact me, reach out to me, connect with me. I'm all over social media and let me know that you need help. I'll give you a step by step guide on how to get started creating your first digital product. I have several tools that can help you. I have done for you tools, I have done with you tools, and I have do it yourself tools that will help you get started in social media. Okay. And if you want the extra layer of support, you can always join my free online community. I got you. I got you, girl. Don't you worry about it. So let me know in the comments um, what your first product is going to be. Okay? Talk to you later.